How to buy bread on the Coinbase wallet app. I'm going to show you how you can easily buy bread on the Coinbase wallet app. First, choose a crypto wallet to store your cryptocurrency. Pick one that works well in your area, accepts your payment method, and follows your preferred policies. To create a wallet, provide your personal information and select a strong password. Then, you will be provided with a secret recovery phrase or seed words. For buying bread, there are different base currencies you can use. Once you have bought your base currency, you can withdraw it to your crypto wallet. Log into your account on the exchange platform you chose. Next, you need to provide your wallet address and the amount you want to transfer. There are several DEXs available. You only need to confirm that the exchange supports the wallet you choose. Once you have chosen a DEX, you need to connect it to your wallet and start to trade. Select bread from the list and enter the amount you want to trade. Diversifying your portfolio helps you spread the risks and raise the chances of success in general. Check out the similar coins listed below. You can use BSC scan or Etherscan to locate the smart contract address if the coin you seek is not listed on the DEX. After that, you may copy it and paste it into the pancake swap.